What is the sum of series of arithmetic progression having a common difference of 3.5 if the first term is zero point 0.5 and the last term is 25? Quick story lang before I share with you the problem. When I took the exam nung ako'y nasa second year college, ito yung mga inaasahan kong problem. So, ganito yung mga pinaghandaan ko. Then, wala akong napakinabangan sa aking ni-review dahil wala atang arithmetic series or sequence na lumabas din sa analytical part nung exam. Pero meron at meron talaga. So mahalaga na ready pa rin tayo. So why not solve tayo ng sample problem and allow me to walk you through my thought process habang sinusolve ko siya. So ang tanong ulit, what is the sum of series of arithmetic progression having a common difference of 3.5? Unlock muna natin yung difficulty ha. Sum of of series of arithmetic progression. Pag sinabi kasing series, yun na yung sum ng arithmetic progression. So, medyo inaccurate yung paraan ng pag-present ng tanong pero nakuha naman natin yung idea. So, basically, meron daw sequence na ang common difference, usually we use lowercase d to denote the common difference. Common difference is 3.5. Ang first term is 0.5. First term naman is a sub 1. We call this a sub 1. Yun yung common na notation para i-express yung first term. 0.5 daw yon. Last term is 25. Last term naman, para i-denote yun, we use a sub n on most textbooks. Okay? Kaya yun yung ginagamit ko. So, ano yung sum? Pag in-add mo sila. So, basically, sum of the terms ang hinahanap. S sub n naman ang notation doon. And we have a formula for that. What you need to know is the number of terms. Divide mo lang sa 2. Multiply mo sa sum ng first and last term. Yan lang. Notice, alam natin yung first term. Check. Alam natin yung last term. Check. Pero wala pa tayo nito. Hindi natin alam ilan yung terms na dapat mong ipag-add. And it's very essential na ma-solve mo muna yan. So, paano natin yung gagawin? Kailangan mong gamitin yung isa pang formula na may kinalaman sa arithmetic progression. Yun ay yung formula sa paghanap ng nth term. Nth term yung nasa dulo. So, that's first term added by the product of n minus 1 and your common difference. Yan yung formula for that. At kailangan mo yan kasi nandyan yung n. Essentially, using this first formula, yung formula sa paghanap ng nth term, gagamitin natin yan to solve for the number of terms na pag nahanap mo na, tsaka natin gagamitin ito. Because essentially, yung tanong ha, remember, sum ang hinihingi. So, ito talaga yung final na kailangan mong ma-solve. Pero to do that, you need to know n. At para malaman yung n, you need to use this. May ganung mga uri ng problem. Okay? So, you need to be familiar with the formula. Kung kailangan mo ng video, separate na video para malaman ba't ito yung formula para dyan, ba't ito yung formula para dito, meron akong provide for you. Pero for now, I suggest you just memorize them. Very helpful din naman na may kaunting rote learning, may kaunting pag-memorize. So, again, we have to solve for n using the values that we already know. A sub n is 25. First term is 0.5. We do not know n yet. Maiwan siya dyan. Common difference is 3.5. Solving for n means isolating n. Kung nasan man siya sa side ng equation, dapat mag-isa lang siya. So we need to get rid of everything. But then, how? Unahin muna nating i-simplify. First thing that you need to do here is to distribute 3.5 dun sa nasa loob ng parentheses, which is si n at saka si minus 1. That's how you distribute properly. Yan yung ibig sabihin yan, ha? Hindi lang siya para kay negative 1. Para din siya kay n. Because n minus 1 represents a number na siyang i-multiply kay d. So, you need to multiply d with the whole thing, with the entire number. So, n minus 1. Kay n at saka kay minus 1. And let's go ahead and do that. So, this is still 0.5. N times 3.5 is just 3.5n. Lagay mo lang. And then, 3.5 multiplied by negative 1 is just negative 3.5. And still have 25 on the other side. You can scroll this down para mas madali. Alisin natin lahat ng walang n. Okay? Aalisin ko si 3.5. Aalisin ko si 0.5. Lipat natin dito sa kabila. That, uso yung transpose, yung term na pag-transpose, that will work. It saves time. Kung yun ang mas komportable kang gawin, why not? Pero ako gusto kong pinapakita yung tamang process, yung pag-undo. So, para mawala si 0.5, i-undo mo siya diyan. Subtract mo si 0.5. Dito naman, nagkaroon ng 3.5 kasi nag-subtract. So, i-undo mo yon by using addition. Okay? Kaiba yun. Dito kasi positive siya. So, para mawala yan, subtract. Dito naman ay negative. So, para mawala yan, mag-add nung kaparehas na number. 0, 0. But you need to do the same thing dun sa kabilang side para equal pa rin siya. Mag-subtract tayo ng 0.5 at mag-add tayo ng 3.5. Ngayon, meron ka na lang 3.5n sa kabila. And then on this side, meron kang 25 minus 0.5 plus 3.5. So, kung gusto mo, isulat mo yun ng horizontal. 5. That's the proper way of writing this. Pero alam natin na medyo tricky siya i-solve kapag naka-horizontal. So, actually, isusulat mo rin yan vertically. Kung kaya mong i-solve na ganito, why not? So, 2.25 minus 0.5 is 20. 4.5 plus 3.5, so that's 28. Exactly 28. May sagot ka na actually. 'Di ba? Pero horizontally, pakita ko ha. 2.5 minus 0.5 muna. 0.5 should be written here because decimal point of 25 is on this side. Sa subtraction sa addition ng decimal, mahalaga magkapantay yung decimal point para makapag-add or subtract ka properly. Notice this is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So magiging 4. Magiging 10. This is 5. This is 4. This is 2. You bring down the decimal point. Magkakatapat pa rin. Tsaka mo i-add yung 3.5. And again, pantay-pantay lang. So this is 0.5 times plus 0.5. Magiging isang buo na yan. 10. Carry over na natin dito. Whole number na yun. Magiging isang buo. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. And you bring down 2. Yun. Kaya siya 28. Now, 28 is equal to 3.5 times n. To solve for n, since this is 3.5 times n, i-undo natin. Dito nag-undo tayo, mag-undo ka rin dyan. Kaya lang this time, magdi-divide ka because that's how you undo multiplication. Remember, this is 3.5 times a number. So, para ma-undo yan, mag-divide ka. Yun yung kabaligtaran ng multiplication. Dito, kabaligtaran ng positive is negative. Kabaligtaran ng subtraction is addition. Dito, kabaligtaran ng multiplication is division. Divide tayo by 3.5. Anything divided by itself is 1. So this is essentially 1 times n, which will just give you n. You're halfway there. Kailangan mo na lang gawin din sa kabila. Nag-divide ka sa right side, divide ka rin dito. So ask yourself, what is 28 divided by 3.5? I can do it using long division, pero gamitan natin na mas mabilis na paraan ha. So think about this. Yung dalawang 3.5 is already 7. Ilang 7 meron sa 28? Meron kang 7, 14, 21, 28. The correct answer is 8. Merong 8 terms dun sa sequence. Now, go back to the first formula para masagot mo ito. If n is 8, I can go ahead and plug in the values here. N is 8, divide mo by 4. Multiply mo sa first term, sum ng first term and last term. First term is 0.5. Last term is 25. Go ahead and simplify that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then 0.5 plus 25 is 25.5. Dodoblehin mo lang pala yan. Which is essentially, so dalawang 25 is 50, dalawang 0.5 is 1. So, 51 ang sagot. And obviously, wala sa pamimilian. Piliin mo yung none of these. Okay? And twice ng 25.5 is exactly 51. Wala sa options, piliin mo yung none of these. Hopefully, nakatulong itong video na to.